Hello everyone, I'm back. This is Kay here. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn recurring income online. So, 9 months ago, I was on the edge of giving up. I had already tried creating content, posting value, showing it consistently, and still no sales. Every scroll on social felt like a reminder that everyone else was winning but me. So, what is the online business struggles? Usually, they come in four forms. First one is when you would compare with your peers. Okay, that's how the frustration started, and then you started to second guessing yourself. Next would be, I think, majority of us facing lack of sales. Like, yeah, you make one or two sales here and there, but it's just not enough to cover everything, right? All this contributes to your struggle. In order to build passive income, you can always subscribe to my channel, get my tips, implement the strategies, evaluate your own result. Feel free to adjust to your approach. Before that, give a subscribe so you can receive more tips on building passive income the simple way. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and information purposes only. I'm sharing what's worked for me and many others, but your results will always depend on your own effort, consistency, and personal situation. This is not financial advice, and I don't promise or guarantee income. Success takes action, not just information. This is how you should approach your personal success. You need to take action, which requires effort and consistency in the beginning, I believe, and then you need to take those information. Okay, but of course it is not guaranteed. Okay, coming back to the topic. Because of this, I felt stuck in a cycle of second guessing. Was I even cut out for this? Why did it seem so easy for other people? I was tired of spending hours on strategies that got me nowhere, and even more tired of feeling like I had to choose between making money or being present for my family. So, in order to balance work and family life, we need to have the three. We need to have focus on work. I mean, if you have a job, you need to put some effort, some focus on your work, right? So, and then you have to prioritize your family, especially people like me, I mean, parents like me with young kids. You need to spend some time with the children. And then in between all that, you need a balance. Not just that, you need to take care of yourself too, right? So I tried it all. Email writing I couldn't finish, DM scripts that made me cringe, posting non-stop and getting nothing but crickets. So that's the sound of silence when there is no sale. You try everything, you have unfinished emails and because you started but never completed. That was me. So I use System.io. Everything has to be on manual. I write emails one by one, but yeah, I never complete that. And then you have DM scripts that felt awkward and ineffective. I mean, you talk to people, but still, these people they don't convert, right? You have cringeworthy DM scripts, but no use if they're sitting there and they're not taking action. And you post nonstop, still people are not taking action. That comes down to the main reason why marketers are not making sales. Finally, after months of burnout and zero momentum, I decided to stop trying to do it all and start looking for what actually works. From burnout to productivity. In order to get rid of the burnout and I need to focus on productivity, how do we draw these two get closer? I will have to identify effective strategies. So to discover any other methods that yield better result instead of blindly posting, not making sales, chasing people in the DMs, all this stuff. What can I do, right? So after months of searching, finally, I found a friend. He's doing something that, which is, which is so stupid simple. Okay, You earn 100 commissions upfront. You make every upsells on the upfront, you make 100 commissions, and then you get recurring income. I'm going to explain further what is recurring income after this. Then these leads, your clients, they are hard coded for you to you for life. You don't have to bother about email writing because that will be done for you as well. There's no text setup, no chasing, no cold DMs. Like you don't have to jump onto direct message and say, hey, happy birthday, things like that. You don't have to do all that. Okay. And also free traffic built in for platinum members. Okay, coming back to recurring income. How do you usually earn recurring income? That's where there is subscription fee. Okay. In this system, your leads will have to pay a fee in order to sustain their commission in the ecosystem. So you need to look for a simple system. So easy to scale for you. You don't have to bother about email writing, okay, because it will be done for you. And then this leads, even if they don't buy today, if they make any purchase in the future, you will still be rewarded. And then, like I said earlier, you get the money from the subscription fee. You earn between 75 to 100% commissions. There's no tech setup. You don't have to bother building a funnel. If you do not know what funnel is like a website, your landing page, where people click on your link and then they will go into your email marketing. So you don't have to bother about all that. All you need to do is to share your link. That's how you earn your commission. You you put your focus on getting traffic. That's all you need to do. The only thing you need to do is to draw traffic. You don't have to chase. Plus, this is a bonus. You get free traffic for platinum members. So when I started, everything shifted. I made my first high ticket sale in just 3 weeks. Sales came in while I was out with the kids. Yeah, these days, it is in phase three. I don't have to do much. I mean, I built the trust. I built those trust um, months before. So yes, whenever people see my post, they will put down their comment. Okay, they will put down a comment that I I ask them to, for example, ready or I want the training, just drop in the link and then they just join. I don't have to explain much because it's free, right? Just like 2 days ago, I have total of 100 plus hit my account in one single day plus two sales came in while I was chasing after my little kids. It's as simple as that. So if it is time tight income, you have very limited income potential. And then you have to spend a lot of time on your job, right? And then the workload is crazy. Plus, in order for you to climb the corporate ladder, there's only one position you have to fight with so many other people out there, right? I mean, with your colleagues. And okay, if you make the comparison with an automated income, there's no cap. There's no cap to your income. Okay, so long you put in the effort, you look for people, the sky is the limit. Time. So you manage your own time. You can do whenever you want. Like right now, I just do it in my pockets of time. Like I do it in the morning and then afternoon during the kids' nap, and also sometimes like nighttime after they go to bed. So the workload isn't much. All you need to do is to create some videos and put on social media. Yeah, that's it. You don't have to talk much to people. Because of that, my energy changed. Because now my income wasn't tied to my time anymore. The system runs with automation in the background. It closes sales for you. Now I help other burnout parents tap into this system so they can finally breathe financially without sacrificing their sanity or their family. If you're done dabbling and ready to make this change this year, come and change to create your free account. plug in and let this thing work for you. This is your journey from a burnout parents all the way to financially free parents. All you need to do is just to create a free account. So here are the steps. You need to sign up, click on my link, go through the instruction, and receive my bonuses. Yes, if you're interested, check the pin comment below. Sign up through my link. I'll follow the instructions. I'll personally send you the exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to grab the free training down the pin comment below. That's all for today. Bye.